Nexaglide looked at a normal bicycle and said, "Cute, but what if we gave it the attitude of a small dirt bike and the energy of a teenager after 3 energy drinks?" The Nexaglide 1500W e-bike is a fat tire electric bike built for people who want speed, size, and that mini motorcycle look without selling one kidney. Listings describe it with a 1500-watt brushless motor, up to 34 miles per hour's top speed, 20x4-inch fat tires, dual suspension, 7 speeds, and 3 riding modes. Basically, it is not trying to be your calm neighborhood grocery bike. It is trying to make your helmet nervous. On paper, this thing comes swinging. The Walmart listing says it can climb up to 30-degree slopes, uses a removable 48V battery, and supports around 47 miles in pedal assist mode, with about 5 hours of charging. Dragon Blogger also says the bike can reach about 34 miles per hour, and that pure electric mode may drop the range closer to 22-25 miles. Translation: yes, it can move, but if you ride it like you are escaping a movie explosion, do not expect the battery to last forever. Now, what are reviewers saying? Go E-Bike Life calls it a strong value pick for riders who want a cheap, fast, mini-moto style fat tire e-bike for fun rides, pavement, gravel, and light off-road use. But they also say it is not ideal if you want polished setup, low weight, or refined commuter behavior. So yes, the Nexaglide may give you weekend adventure hero, but it may not give you smooth executive commuting gentleman. This bike is more action movie than office chair.
Damn!
But hold up, wait a minute, something ain't perfect. Reddit has a Nexaglide FX20 owner story where a parent said their child bought one for $600 and 1 month later, it was dead. The seller was helpful, but the problem was not solved and they were getting a refund. That is the scary part with budget e-bikes. The price looks sweet, but long-term support can sometimes feel like texting a ghost who only replies during business hours on Mars. Final verdict? The Nexaglide 1500W e-bike looks exciting if you want a powerful, affordable, fat tire e-bike for fun rides, rough paths, and looking cooler than your fitness level deserves. But I would not buy it blindly. Check the seller, check the warranty, check battery safety details, and read the return policy like your wallet depends on it, because it does. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.